Just hours ago, Anthropic dropped Claude 4, and it's a total game changer for AI. It's outperforming leading models from Google and OpenAI. But here's the thing. While Claude Opus 4 is very expensive, Claude Sonnet 4 is much more affordable and nearly as intelligent. Let me show you 5 insane things you can do with the budget-friendly Claude Sonnet 4 right now. First use case. Deep research and presenting it in PowerPoint. I asked Claude Sonnet 4 to conduct a thorough research project on the effects of PFAS on human health. With both web search and Perplexity enabled, it automatically gathered a wide range of up-to-date sources, including peer-reviewed studies, news articles, and governmental reports, covering health outcomes, scientific evidence, and summaries from authoritative sources. One of the most impressive aspects was how it visualized the complex information. It organized data into comparative charts, like bar graphs of exposure levels and health risks, line charts tracking incidence rates over time, and relevant statistics. Making it much easier to interpret dense material. Accessible when ready, I simply gave Claude Sonnet 4 a single prompt to put everything together into a PowerPoint presentation. Instantly, it generated an organized, detailed slide deck that included all the research insights, visualizations, and explanations I requested. The final PowerPoint included every detail and visual I asked for, in a format that was both professional and impactful. It was genuinely impressive to see such a deep end-to-end workflow handled so smoothly and completely. Second use case, designing an e-commerce dashboard. I asked Claude 4 Sonnet to build a dashboard based on the provided image's style. Instantly, it analyzed the layout, colors, and UI structure, then generated a full dashboard with a sidebar for navigation, dashboard, analytics, transactions, etc. Metric cards for total sales, net income, total transactions, and products sold, each showing icons, key figures, and percentage changes. A purple-themed revenue summary bar chart for visual impact tables for recent transactions, a real-time activity feed, and inventory status with easy-to-read progress bars. All of this was delivered in one shot with clean HTML, CSS, and interactive components. The result matched the modern, professional look of the reference image, fully ready for use, no extra tweaks required. Amazing! For the third use case, analyzing blog post writing quality. I asked Claude 4 Sonnet to review a blog post for writing quality and engagement tips. Claude then used Firecrawl to read the article, highlighted strengths like clear explanations and good structure, and suggested improvements such as a catchier title, a better intro, more headings, and adding interactive elements. It wrapped up with a writing score and quick summary, providing actionable, professional feedback in seconds. It's like having an expert to help you with documents, changelogs, and blog posts. Fourth use case, creating a Cyberpunk racing game. I asked Claude 4 Sonnet to build a Cyberpunk-themed racing game using Three.js. With just one prompt, the AI thought through the requirements and then used interactive canvas to create the entire game. The result was a neon-lit track with glowing lane dividers and a sleek 3D car that you control with the arrow keys. The visuals are bold and futuristic, featuring electric colors in true cyberpunk style. Obstacles and power-ups appear on the road to keep gameplay engaging. My speed and score are shown on the screen, and the controls and instructions are clearly displayed. I was able to start playing immediately, and the immersive 3D experience made it feel like a real arcade racer. You should definitely try asking it to build your own game. I promise, it's incredibly fun and addictive. Final use case, instantly turning Figma designs into code using Figma MCP. I shared the Figma link and asked it to convert the hero section into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The AI connected to Figma MCP automatically pulled in the design details and analyzed the modern layout, including the clean navbar, logo, navigation links, login and sign-up buttons, language selector, and a standout hero block. If you want to know how to set up MCP servers on TypingMind, I've added the document link in the description. It generated the full code, header, navigation, typography, spacing, and interactive effects, accurately matching the Figma design. Within seconds, I received a clean, organized HTML, CSS, JS project that rendered pixel perfect and fully functional with no extra tweaking needed. The whole process was fast and production ready. Amazing job. All right, that's all for now. You've really got to try this model yourself to experience just how smart and capable it is. If you have any more great use cases for Claude 4 Sonnet, please comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.